have Avalanche, symbol AVAX, AVAX, so that's definitely going to be moderated by the YouTube, by Mr. Lior. He's looking at a 4-hour daily and weekly. Targets for Moon or Doom. Well, targets for Moon is always infinity. Targets for Doom is always 0. So that's unhelpful, sir. Maybe something a little bit more relatable. How about that? We can see right here on the daily a very obvious trading range from the last time that I charted this. I think this was like back on 1st of September. And this one actually is looking for resolution relatively soon. You know, the problem with this one is that because the last like higher low was so far long ago, it's like, where do you even draw that from? Jesus Christ, like, yeah, I guess it was like early August. Anyways, this is a nice order consolidation at a very high level. And this kind of what I was talking about on Bitcoin as well, where you see a nice big move to the upside after a big base was built, and then a long form consolidation around the highs without giving up too much. Whenever you see something like that, it's usually a really, really good sign. Just a general sort of thing is that markets typically, in my experience, do not give you 2 times to sell the fucking high. Yes, I do know that there's such thing as called a double top, but those typically only get scalp plays, of which you got that right here. Usually it's going to be continuation, and you know, every once in a while you actually will see a macro double bottom, macro double top that actually does hold, but very, very rarely in my experience. Anyways, on this one right here on the 4-hour, again, sideways is the name of the game. I would be short term looking for some upside. However, hidden bullish evidence right here. Volatility is on the floor. 4-hour jewel just fired off a somewhat fresh signal. Resolution would be above about 51 and a quarter on a 4-hour closure. Sorry, let me just about $51 on a 4-hour closure. And then, yes, I would be looking for the next move to occur. In this case, probably brings it up to new all-time highs. Make a bit of a measure move off of a what is known as a rectangle like this, which is just a reaccumulation formation. In this case, would be suggesting about $65 as the technical target. And then what we also could do is draw these fibs, which is also in line exactly with the 1414 right there for a short-term target, and would also put this one on new all-time highs. Long-term, where you know, where would I be looking for this one? Probably in, oh my fucking god, man, this thing can actually really, really run right here, because it would be in price discovery. Really good volume on that move too. Okay, understand this is a long term right here. So if you really are asking about Moon, this would be more of like the Moon analysis. 170 to 200. Again, long term, I mean, probably looking like months down the road, but this is a really, really good setup right here, actually. Again, the only way that a turnaround to bearish on this one is below $39. That would be my validation. Looking for a move all the way down to about 29.5. But until that happens, man, this is good. Very, very good. Daily is actually having a fresh signal right here as well. Jesus, man. Powerful AVAX. Powerful, powerful, powerful. You know, if it does fail at the top side of the short-term range, once again, I would be looking for another drive down towards like the low 40s. But again, I do not switch around towards bearish on this one. So cracks back down below technically $39 or so. Hopefully that was helpful, and there you go.